Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to get emojis on your PC. So what you need to do, open up a notepad or Word or doesn't matter which text editor you open. When you open up your preferred text editor, click here on it that it's live. And now what you can do is press Windows key on your keyboard and dot on your keyboard and will open up this emoji and more. Now you can search them by categories right here. And yeah, um, this is basically how you can do it. But we have one more thing that we can open up. This is also Windows key and V key on your keyboard next to the C, between C and B uh, keyword. So press on it and it will open up. And now you can have here emojis. You can also have GIFs right here, and that's basically how you can get your emojis in your text. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also comment down below that you subscribe, that I can personally thank you in the comments. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.